So we need to use the substitution method to solve this linear system. Before we get started, let's name this equation 1 and equation 2, and that's our system. Let's start by actually isolating for y in equation 1. And I chose equation 1 because as I'm looking at the two equations, I can see that equation 1 seems a little less complex, so it'll be easier to isolate for y. So 2x plus y equals 3. To isolate for y, I'm going to move the 2x over to the other side of the equation. So y equals 3 minus 2x. Now that I have that, I can substitute that back into equation 2. So sub y equals 3 minus 2x into 2. Equation 2 is 4x minus 3y equals 1. Instead of y, I'm going to write 3 minus 2x. 4x minus 3 times 3 minus 2x equals 1. Now that my entire equation is in terms of x, I can actually solve for x. So I'm going to start by opening up this bracket by distributing everything inside by minus 3. 4x equals minus 3 times 3 is minus 9, and minus 3 times minus 2x is positive 6x equals 1. Now I can add my like terms. 4x plus 6x is 10x, minus 9 stays there, equals 1. And now all I have to do is isolate for x. 10x equals 1 plus 9, which is 10, x equals 1. Now that I have x, I can bring that back and plug it in to equation 1. So let's sub x equals 1 into 1. Equation 1 is 2x plus y equals 3. And instead of x, I'm just going to replace it with 1. So 2 plus y equals 3. Y equals 3 minus 2. Y equals 1.